and ne ewo dwumadi no so nkomo kra nye tew emu du pa because the Blackstars no hwe Ghana fo a kire ede ama Blackstars na amanfo attention e wo so na after the game na wo behia se ye bedi nkomo legendo bibi aboko de
mini anyame ado bibi aboko pa
okay we o gide se ahoden so wo ho
ahode wo ho papa
wa ofa Ghana corner bebre a nipa bebre se ye share Panama but during the game no asom de ayem hihye na hair ball no ebumu si omo yem na se ye be hyen ase ye ntimi nhye bi ahopepresa na nyame adom ye di wini ye ebumu se derby team no ya fe ne ye hihye so the most important thing is the win me nim which side of the argument and after so share Ghana and Panama no o stand
yo ne di kama me na wase na me champion for mo studio na mentia Asante mani ba bi obi etie ma fu page so so ma me start me say menya akwanya before the tournament omo bo friendly match against me Panama friendly match ni na me omo against South Africa omo bo 1-1 the following 3 days and omo sai boy and omo share South Africa 2-1 and omo free ho and omo ni Republic Dominican now and omo ko show omo 4-1 and omo ni Bosnia e ball 1-1 and Brazil e show omo 6-2 nti o show omo team na that means say they score goals, however they concede a lot of goals as well. So a team like that, so to me looking and now blocking no and manage to go. Whatever it is, a ball better than net. So I was very, very optimistic. Say I'm almost to go. It didn't do 90th minute to Kuana. Get the ball better on it because of how team that's here. Now, you can't be ugly win in football, football terms. Normally in tournament, first games like this, you need that kind of win. Not too much of ball. Not too much ball also instead of too much. But now they are winning. Now I eat pressure be a few. So now I'm out some calmness be. Especially now third best team are crucial in World Cup tournament. Our first win here. And see for IMCCO, so IMCCO, who countries there World FIFA ranking on that 3 or 4. No more obi other 7,000 on the board drop. Brazil friends Spain Capo Verde.
Yeah.
And see this kind of wins, we call it ugly wins, but it's very, very important in football so that they can settle you and release a bit of pressure from you, especially the kind of second match Okobono. And to me, what I say is the first priority of every game first win, and this win was very, very important. In as much as a game, very tough. And obviously, I knew that this is the kind of game I call. But you got the win, 3 points now. And Abuapa, my pressure, and from Gaka.
So it comes back to Omo Amujina baby say it's all about the 3 points and the win. And ya fina ye be look at beautiful football. Bia ye de ba stress. You win it no matter how we be winning, we should celebrate and be comfortable with it.
Yes, of course. However, me bofe me bobo na born me fe na win neighbor me papa. But said you bofa ye me be fie after 2 games there and me bo kaka dia kodu semi final. Nti I agree. Say do baby na mo ayedin. But as football, so you're very resilient. Almost do baby no say so the press at almost kaka. And that is how it will go. You won't get it 100%. It will depend. The boys have passed through a lot to get to where they are. First, and then from African Cup, Monteman qualified, World Cup for Ayekoi, and Kofo, GDA from. So they were very resilient. We have a coach here, is well experienced, and the managerial skills and also able to get the best out of the boys, And see, whether it's ugly football, whether it's a ball whether it's a nefe. For right now, no, say you group agencies is here there. Ghana is not qualified. However, when to me first I give no say what they call other games because games there come with different approach and different mentality and different philosophy. And my games the beer won't be it's good. We can improve a team no ever near my dream possessing wise and our defending wise and we can improve on it. But okay, team no baby free, but now baby go do. You cannot ask too much for more.
Okay. With the 2 matches now, Kano, because of the third best teams now, bit me be 8 say Kono. With 4 points and a bit of positive goal difference, your chances was kakra. Now, a fair near boy against opponent, your fan say, big away group because relatively England, Croatia are bigger than Panama. They say your money see a page kakra as we are about to play these two teams. Based on our first game, and him fan who say as I see a shemu den kakra if we want to at least get another win or a draw in the next 2 matches.
I think so. Panama game now they were using 2 strategies. By second half, intelligent the coach in the block here. The first, say, Omoko medal kakra, then they will go on the wings because no more 4-3, 3-4-3. Until the moment here, more defenders now start to possess the ball. No, we move to 2 and 3, no more high. To move possess kakra, near your pressing kakra near nyape, no more their conference, no more crossing. So they were using a lot of crosses. Until when Atizigi came strong, like 4 balls will be free a box no nina crossing. Ombe who say more heading crossing about Atizigi at the fat. And I get to them were very strong, almost me a few ho. And no move jay. Then they were going behind our defense. And also I'm not try and fa omunya ba ku bi mienu bi ba ku na am say jete kopia akwa na say no person ja no ho so no person na tiomi de ni ni ho. And ye dey fa bo na mo call be 2-3 wi. And mo say emfa and mo team ye disorganized kakra because they lock mu team in second half no. Then coach no changes na buy and they do come. However, England, it's a free-flowing national team. A lot of potential. Obiet Misogo. When you are playing with a team of Obiet Misogo, it's very difficult. But they don't go too much on the flanks. If they are going on the wing, then it's 1v1 because of the quick wingers they have. Omudua, they don't do a lot of crosses to take a fast row. They do a lot. Obey your play. And then they are possessible on middle. Then they are trying to find the loopholes through the middle. Until they penetrate through the middle because of Jude Bellingham, Hurricane Oba, the oppressor of a link up player. Then he will create a space for Jude Bellingham. Bellingham that's all fun. So Omobono and too much of a high ball and they want to try to win second balls. When they lose the ball, they try to press through Hurricane Bellingham. I'm going to start pressing not more. And it's all now see okay because I'm more press you high because whatever it is they will press you high. I'm more press you high and maybe you will go for long balls. If you ever press you high, go for long ball because you want to win second balls. But if you long balls, and I'm more press you high now for long, no one to win the second balls. It will be a problem. So I know for possession they will have it. Whatever you will do, they will have a lot of possession. We need to sweat. We need to suffer. We need to be very resilient because on possession wise, they will lead us. If you want, the approach we want to go is to have a mid block. And a mid block, no, we don't need to be passive. Passive, no, and yes, I'm a player na Agyeman Badu at Asante Kotoko. The mid block, Agyeman Badu to say you go to buy a quick transition, 3 passes, you want to opponent in the half room. The very low block, no, I say yes, I want to me for one in where we are in finishing. The better block, I say for a very 18 years, no more allow space or Monko. Outside normal crosses.
Okay.
And it depends. And I think the coach now with his intelligence, he knows that the one lock middle and you allow them to go through the middle, it will be a problem. How we have to approach the game is to have a mid block because you're pressing, you ensure it too much, so we are not too good in pressing. I want a mid block. So they are I want the ball to do how you be very aggressive, get the ball. Your players here 1v1, they are good and they are quick as well. Then we will go. But the nothing to me, yes, I did not say a long. Then we need to try and win the second boss.
So, you identify 3 tactical methods. 1, going long, exploit or more high line. Now, make a conscious effort to pick the second boss. Any one approach.
Yes.
And what can say either we do mid block, but you can say passive. The moment we shouldn't even allow the player to get the ball. Now, Ansani Akonso, excellent one-on-one marking. Send your more passing options near be close. And I say, young shut shop no deep defending. To say, Keved for any BA. Do we have the men if we want to pick the second boss? One ever target manner, you ever call long, amanaje. Now be about for second ball. No? If we want to do mid block, do we have the men? So on bet me chase 90 minutes because like I said, we need to suffer. Do we have the men to chase 90 minutes? Full of energy, decent tackles, yellow card be any fouls being bad now. And also you can see a cool low blocker. Defensively, won't we be exposed based on our wing performance? No?
Oh, well, I think we have the men. Especially we are getting one of our best players back in the game. He has played in England when him the kind rise, no money ball near other players. So he knows. I know that mentally he will be very tough. So best start you. So Beba second half because we are the one we are Bruno. They will start this, that kind of mind games. But he's a very tough guy. He's one of the good passers of the ball away team. But if yes, you need somebody like Thibaut, who at times is able to carpet balls. Now I say grass, he can go on the grass. He can jump. He's very physically strong as well, so he can sit behind there. Then with this kind of games, I think I'm able to in front of the back four. Now what Jack Caleb winning behind the striker to say your first match in an Jordan and Kamal Suleiman Jordan but Kamal Suleiman Kamal Jin Suleiman on team more because for your winger he wants space but we are limited and Kofo it's difficult for him so until your match now coach never realize no call 4-4-2 or the man of Jordan and or spread it near money way. And Tisamia with England with this kind of come up 2 games in front. Caleb behind the striker.
Okay.
Then I go for my wingers, so that at least if Thibaut, who is very tall, very strong, and can win the balls, Pate too is tall, he can win some balls. Because he's also a very good passer combined with Pate, and he has the energy to search for it and come back. But it depends on your coach. Now he's very intelligent to work. A team around him I know they will watch the England national team game and deploy a strategy a bit to my boy. But for me, I will do a mid block. Now I rely on counter attack, quick transition.
Okay, let me tell you what Pate comes back. Kamara Dinu, because number 10 running in a favorite position in or struggle. So you take him out, Elisha Usu, Pate, Caleb Rinchi. However, they will rotate on the field. You're okay with that mid 4-3. And I just
however, but also can say, do they change the winning team?
Okay.
And also your question. And see, Kamenya they are with experience now. With you see, all these minds they were doing now is because they are a bit afraid of party football.
Yeah.
And the winning na what the crown. And see, me I can use no. Yeah, winning the wait my I can use no. But however, same the kind no. A winning team, they were able to hold all the press and then manner. Are they going to change it? That is a question for another day.
Okay. But I also understand your point. Only more that our experience, he comes in. Now, talking about experience, still on the tactical front, there's been a bit of complaint about Jordan. Coach Bioba Ghana seems to love him. Edu Ebiana better complaints in a coach be a pen, but for say the fact that coach be a person born should tell us coach be a who will be who anymore. Now the usual complaint is because we want to go quick and our transition wants to be fast. As a Jordan star no slow down ball ne kakra, who do onto the ball as or no invite fouls are you be channels opponent na recover no wahye na echire ho yi. I don't know where do you stand? Is it in an intense game, you person you call end to end, no? Do you still think his experience will be needed? And I see him finding free bench, bra.
Listen, Jordan is one of the committed players I want. Now, you see, I have more be a machine be almost say near say this in Aguson. I said, yeah, you see, machine be a test, say a bobo Nivia.
Vest, yeah,
you didn't say no more to me, could you, or more to me, a true moja, no more than 30 kilometers. And Jordan AOB in our game, he runs a lot. His style of play, no tell you kind is to eat the pressure, or be a hold ball, Chebiano, a good time, or better pressure and go from. Then he's trying to get fouls around. I might agree with you, say, a good time beer. Then a need to opponent a side there, unreleased ball. So that they are a bit more quick. I agree on that aspect. Maybe I'm not so giant, okay, but I want to, if no, I'm a nine. My debone is saying, Obian take cover so or so. I'm a fabon on to her. Okay, let me hold it and share to make many house you are. And luckily for us, your Bobo say we are. I'm going back to correct clips in a unit.
Yeah,
that's what you clips in Hannah case, so you see, Hannah is so you see. So at times it's true he holds the ball too much, but his style of play has been like this to hold the ball, get a lot of fouls around because he is very good in set pieces and try to ease pressure from the team so that we can be in control. And if there is something like this, the coach and the players will sit down. They will show them, say, this place, we want you to release it. This place, we want you to release it. Then we all agree and come back. And I don't think for the experience, commitment, and as a captain of the team, he has done a lot for the team. Even with this game, people is criticizing. Yes, everybody has the right to criticize. But I don't see too much of, say, Jordan and your boss to be and you to release me and all yes. Yes, if you are playing somebody on your number 9, like a 4th 9, and you then get the midfielders that are doing penetration into the opponent, or Jibona or 10 of those midfielders near with animal, he will hold the ball or pass the ball back.
Yeah.
And he you see one thing and fan criticize because for me, we know more test here. I think that one of the players who to make up pack to me now, okay, and you born on one other passing one coaches no more. The coaches' work rate is key. Until we won't say, can't you, can't you, or you see what to say, but only know the best player. Until it's never the coaches no consider as an almost selected player. So the guy, no. That then 14 years in him in the national team, or 16 years. Coach Bia Maya on fanning to bench.
Yeah.
It could be a one thing, the work rate. He score goals, he make assists. In as much as footballer, they will be able to make a mistake. They both do one case. But when you're attacking as well, who tell my ever correct clip on it, I think I'm coming
pass it, yeah.
And can send the pass it. And see, individual brilliance is a key, and it's a split of 1 second. You need to take decision because when you are playing, people are coming at you. After the one, no, there are some players wrong. Whether you like it or not. And yet, you can do almost because the opponents are afraid of them. And that is what is happening with Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal. So you need this kind of players in games as well. So for them to put him at the bench, well, it could happen, but first game, I think second game, they are getting the rhythm and the confidence. I hope they will start him.
Okay. A bit of the Blackstars. Finally, now my bisa go say Diana was a few Juma power Diana. What Ghana Premier League no so about who send here. Ghana Premier League next year from outside and also from being in the management of the Ghana Premier League. Jansana Mdobekono. Well, Ghana England. Your prediction. I mean so a Ghana need but from a tactical point, what are chances or my percentage?
Listen, for percent, we will suffer. Them the guy can show. We need to be very resilient. We will suffer. We will sweat. We need to do a lot, and it will be a very difficult game. But I think maybe draw will be a good point for us. I might be going for draw.
Okay, but that's a part. Now,
whether I say about 1-1 or everybody 2-2, 0-0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
very, very difficult though, but I'm very optimistic.
Okay. And son of a corner, Diana, I feel more trophyless. What about Famukakra? football administration in Ghana Premier League. To say.
A better game, but if people like Atapoku, no more, they have been in the game for long, or only a lot now. If you are surrounded with people like that, it become a bit easier for you. Now, maybe Ata have done a tremendous job. Was systemizing Yamabi. Maybe I'm saying I cannot answer that notion. Maybe I'm saying 1 month when I leave in the call every year. Right now, I know because the year I meet the Bushu. Recruitment, good players here. We'll be better about 2 or 3 positions. And I say better team too much. The quality. A lot of Nyama. We need to learn a lot though. But the people I'm surrounded with, I think I'm really enjoying it. And obviously, as your colleague, Munim brings football. So. We are doing well, and this year you will see Agyeman team with different.
See, I feel more favorable because former coach Awaji League playing FA Cup and target a league a mobile beji. Na sa target na bani Asante say ade ba ko so pa wo ba be here say young guys na wo team no mo be more chance e de o makwa amano ne. How are you going to combine the two? Mo amu pe league aje. Mo so are young guys mo pe say mo san ton mo.
What do is one of the well-experienced players now. Coach is Yamo Kuma. Now, the records speak for him. Okenyama House of Folk. Even Oko, Brekumi, they do well because I know behind himself, league or Mobile relegation. But from them today, 8 matches, on Lusu match, Omo players to be crowd. So he was able to maintain the young guys now. I know the kind of things I also hear my team. Now me, I'm a grassroots guy because my background from the youth football and 17, I was second division, third division, and I'm a Kotoko. I'm the 2. So I know a lot. When you sit down with the coach, or Kasa, you could see the ambition is also hard. And for the league, yes, Obiano how Kotoko, I know I'll be feeling said. I want to meet in Kunim. However, in this preparation, a lot goes in before you can win the league. And you will prepare very well, get a lot of quality players. You can do whatever say if you don't have players that can align the strategy, the philosophy, so we will try and help him very bit my uncle Panamano. For my work, Yamiadum, Yasini, I can confirm Yanya Yenim Kofo. But maybe I say. I will bring the person for him to come and see you. Oba, now we are there. Then he'll take you. I don't promise any footballer.
Okay.
I have the link to bring the person on board. Oba, now we are there. Well, until this year, you will see a lot of agents, scouts, clubs coming in to watch our players. You are on board me 1 or 2 things. And you're concrete into
yeah.
We don't want to bring anything out. Obviously, it's the BBC. So it's on our first now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are still working.
Okay. Agyeman medase pa wo obre a wo de amame nanka ye mo akomi producer say Kotoko so anya board foforo. Na Kotoko ne wo mojam enti esi ebisa kakra. What do you expect? Kakra obeye o football mu ya oba na say a wadidi the teams ye chi akokoko around no. What will be kakra wo hu a you can offer to the Kotoko board in terms of how they want to build or take Kotoko back to the next level?
Consistency is key. Sack no dos. If he has no Kotoko, so never go yente. Now I add because the other teams are the kind of supporting base on one. You cannot with my bullion. And what they need to do is say patience is key in everything. Who sit down I mean I want to start to say 1-2 foundation now. Wait to sit down. But who sit down so I do baby so now be flow no. And yet all the you know go so na o to aso. And so flow chain na dey no who ye. Nti so you be more be adwuma is to have a contract with the person 5 years, 4 years. But since I can say no pressure by ya ma we mra ono so ba ya be different na na pressure ba na call. Nti emwa tell you Real Madrid ma mo years my kra no papa no omo elections no win 4 years no e team na ma no e du ho no anya de bi ma ne say you know free so oya dia ne wona to aso I say Ghana constitution no after 4 years ni obeba no wanya de ne you nti I say umunya abotrem then you see but ya Kotoko akodru no they need to set a scouting plan. Your coaches there, they have brains to scout players. But your scouting department and so on, school. They say they're working, they've been a plan. When there is Namami Room, into me a talent identification courses, UK. And I'm here certificate A, need certificate B. A big crowd, Derek. How people to do that kind of talent identification? To identify talent for a club like Kotoko. You can go to get the big names, but you need to inject some talent in the team because that is why you can have a good football and lure supporters to the stadium. And to be almost born a dream, so the new board, no matter say, you're inner chance, and you say, you, Manokotia, Agyeman Badu, nim penny living to make a paper, you know, you nim player, no, near Kofanaba because of Agyeman Badu fear. But now, near Kofa, Samajan, I call. It's not almost equal to I call Biaba because they equal to one thing, you think he's on in football, you know, or the player by no. It doesn't work like that. We need a more school. I don't want any say the body type because it will be a fair endomorph, mesomorph. A footballer's body type over 15, 17 years. I mean, we just make my catches 20 years. The body type they say. Then you have that kind of people that are based on it. Now you merge with coach now. Coach playing the bar. When you are argue with it and come to understand and say, well, no, you're man 2 years. I will be like this. No more build the agenda here. Come on. Tell the supporters in anybody. And see, I mean, Baby Abona could do no a whole lot something. So all you say, Kotoko, you were supported, a house of folk, you were supported. And see, Tanya Bayana, the value will still be the same. And you see things like Adiana, Mediama, other teams, you know, Summer Test, they will outsmart you. However, you have the supporters more than them. But we don't want to cover there. So the new board, they need to set a lot of development plans for the team, long term, short term, bring us expertise on board. So they are memo via IN-AGYEMAN. When you be fair, Godfather there over there, offering the player back. Now things said the Kotoko team there, one of the players cannot be in Kotoko team and Mr. Can question and say, Popi, me for a pa, Mr. Ribu Pahanam, a crowd with you, you say everything in the local baby, not a man swan, near the Naba. Then the other one I met a Kotoko, Agyeman Badu come take a couple match. Yakubu player do was a Kotoko 2. Was a Kotoko 2 now, was a Kotoko, Yakopanaba. It doesn't work like that. Because was a Kotoko, because was a half, and he is the best. There is a kind of consistency in the league, you know. And we say, Kotoko by Adrian Women because Kotoko never, Okusha, Carrera, and now between a friend Mpatabu FCD, no. So you need to see the consistency. Mpatabu FC, see are not here. Bekum Chelsea, see are not clear. Bekum Arsenal, see are not here. Kotoko are not here. Then you can plan ahead. No smart perform. Mo the matches. Almost a report to me. No who say player was so announced. Now say, tell me, I mean, I'm saying my job with them. Because you would not Kotoko also be coming. Many of us have been over.
Because they have mistakes.
And see, and see, they need to learn from that side as well.
Adigo, medase pa na me sure say anytime you Kumasi so no try my issue because extensively we need to discuss because why raising a huge point. Patience, talent identification, right structure for recruitment and the whole lot. What we want same piece so enti we dey medase na enumre na yasa dey to anim so oba Kumasi bi a try na in show studios na enti me expand the discussion.